All right. So let's go to my robot. So what I am saying is these properties you might have read in when you were in class. Which class you were in? 11th you studied these things? All right. So first property is sine inverse.
Say you're not sharing my screen.
Oh, one moment. Dheeraj. Can you see now, son?
Yes, sir.
So first property is sine inverse 1 by x, right? So this will be cosecant, right? Inverse x. Second one is cos inverse 1 by x. So that will be cos inverse 1 by x is equal to, keep telling,
Uh,
sine is
se-
inverse of cosecant. Cos,
secant
yeah,
is x.
secant inverse x, right? So the last one is tan, right?
So
Tan inverse 1 by x will be
cot cot inverse x.
cot inverse x. These three properties we'll be using. Okay. And on top of that, we will use these properties. Okay. Sine, tan, and cosec, right? And these properties. Okay. We'll also be using these properties. I'm writing it here. Okay. So what are the other properties? First one is sine inverse x. Okay. Sine inverse x is equal to minus sine inverse
Sine
x.
inverse minus x.
Yeah. Okay. Sine, tan, and cosec. Okay. Tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x. And third one is sine, tan, and cosec. Cosec inverse 1 by minus x equal to minus cosec inverse x, right? So here is the difference, right? Then the another property, so sine, tan, and cos we have done, correct? What will be next one? So cos, sec, and cot. Cos, sec, and cot will be pi minus cosec inverse x. Okay? So we will do cos inverse minus x. Then second, cot inverse minus x. And which one? Secant. Right? So right side I'm writing because cos inverse x is not minus cos inverse x. Cos inverse x is pi.
Oh,
What is the identity?
5 minus cos inverse x.
So pi minus cos inverse x. This is also pi minus cot inverse x. Okay. And this is pi minus sec inverse x.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
We will be frequently using it. These things you have learned in your 11th. If you're not familiar with anything, just let me know. Okay. I'll repeat. Okay. Then we also know these properties. Right? What else we have? I had explained this last time.
No, sir.
Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is 1 moment. What I'm saying is sin inverse x minus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. And cosecant inverse x plus sec inverse x is pi by 2. Okay. Now these things. Okay. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy.
Yes.
Tan inverse x minus tan y. It is like tan a minus tan a plus tan b, tan a minus tan b. Right?
Yes.
Let me pull it there. Okay. Give me a minute. It's loading. All right. So here is the thing, Dheeraj. Right? We know this, right? Tan a plus tan b equal to 10,
In.
not like this. Okay? So I'm just going with this inverse. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse. This is plus. Okay?
Yes.
So x plus y, and in the bottom it will be 1 minus
X.
xy. Okay? This is your first property.
Yes.
Second property is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y will be tan inverse. This time it will change. Right? X minus y divided by 1 plus xy.
Yes, sir.
Right? There is one identity also, like this can also be written in pi plus tan inverse this one, right? But for this, the condition is x and y is equal to xy, x into y is greater than 1. Here the condition is xy greater than, less than 1. Okay. So most of the time we will be using this only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for our NCRT. So third one is tan inverse x plus tan inverse I.
Yes, sir.
This is another flavor of this, another variation of this. Okay. So you
Yes, sir.
can just write it pi plus same formula. Okay. X plus
Yes, sir.
y divided by 1 minus xy. Now the condition is xy is greater than 1. Okay. It
Yes, sir.
means x is greater than 0 and y is also greater than 0. That's, then only this will
Yes,
come.
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So we only need to know this and this. Okay. This is very rarely used. Okay. All right. Any doubt here?
Yes.
Okay. So we also need some other formulas. So one is sine 2 theta. What is
Yes, sir.
this? 2 into sine theta into
Cost.
cos theta. Right? Now the similar way cos 2 theta will also come.
Yes, sir.
How do we find cos 2 theta?
Uh, it's cos square theta minus sin square theta.
Yes. So now this is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Right?
Yes, sir.
But there is a standard formula, right, for certain
Yes,
things. Suppose cos you want to write only in the term of cos. Right now we are writing cos in terms of cos and sin.
yes, sir.
Suppose I want to write only in terms of cos. Right? So
Yes,
what
sir.
will be? So this is one form. This is cos square theta minus sin square theta.
Uh, yes, sir.
1 minus
Cos.
cos square theta. Right? So once you break it, what will happen? Right? Cos
Uh,
square theta minus 1 plus cos square
plus
theta.
cos. Yes, sir.
It means 2 cos square theta. Right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. It is cos 2 theta. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is another form.
Yes, sir.
So this cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Second form. Or you can also write it 1 plus cos 2 theta
Yes, sir.
equal to
Two.
2 cos square theta. Okay. It is called half angle.
Yes.
Right? The angle is becoming half.
Yes, sir.
In the similar way, right, what will be 1 minus cos 2 theta?
Two sin square theta.
Yes. So no need to remember anything. Just if you know this formula, you can derive this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How did I derive?
Replacing sin square theta.
Yeah. Right. So now we know three formulas, right?
Yes.
That cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta,
Yes, sir.
right? Second is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Whenever it is 1 plus cos 2 theta, means answer will be 2. 2 and cos theta,
Yes, sir.
right? If you are doing negative 1 minus cos 2 theta. So it is 2
Yes, sir.
sin square theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So questions are based on these small formulas only. Okay. There won't
Yes.
be much. Not very difficult questions are coming. Let us see if something else we need to have. I'll just refer. So tan A plus B is done. Cos 2 theta is done. Fine. Now we'll go and solve the problems one by one so that you will understand those. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is also there. Are you familiar with these formulas?
Uh, I'll recollect. So yes, I'll write it down.
Yeah. So I'll be writing it for you. No problem.
Okay.
These are important formulas. You should be knowing it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tan inverse in terms of sine inverse.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is happening? Right? 2 tan inverse x. Right?
Yes.
Suppose it is y. It means what? Tan inverse, right, x equal to y by 2. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And
So y
tan
by 2, right, sir? We wrote x
y by
instead.
2. Yes, y by 2 is this much.
Yes, sir.
It means tan y by 2 equal to x. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, I think the derivation will take a lot of time. So I'm just explaining you.
Yes, sir.
So suppose this is y by 2. Right? This angle is y by 2. So can we write it like this? X equal to x by 1. Correct?
Sir, I didn't get your voice. Like,
No, no, no.
can you repeat?
So it is tan y by 2. Y by 2 is angle. Right? Suppose this is theta. Right? So I
Yes,
have taken this here. Right? So tan y by 2 is what? It is x. It means perpendicular by base. Right?
yes,
It means perpendicular is x. But what is base? By default, what is it down? 1 is there. It means it is 1. Right? So if this is 1, this is perpendicular, this is base. So this is
yes,
hypotenuse. Right?
yes, sir.
So with Pythagoras theorem, what will happen? This will become 1
Root,
plus x square. Correct?
so, root of 1 plus x square.
Yeah, yeah. So root of 1 square. I'm going to put it here. So now if you want tan y by 2 or sin y by 2, what will come? Sin y by 2, this by this, p by
Yes,
h, x by root over 1 plus x square. Right?
yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Sine is coming in this format.
Yes,
Right? I'm not going to derive it. I'm just telling you, if you know one formula, so you can easily derive it. Okay?
yes, sir.
And So what formulas are coming from here? So if you're writing 2 into tan inverse x, right? So it will be sine inverse, see here, 2x, y, root will not come. Do I need to derive them or you will understanding, Dheeraj?
I'll, I can understand. I learned this formula, like,
Yeah.
but I don't remember. I have to
Okay,
recall
I'll
it.
tell you a good way to understand also, so that, or if time is there, note it down along with me.
Yes,
2
sir.
tan inverse x in terms of cos inverse, it will be,
1 minus 6.
it will be in terms of cos.
Yes, sir.
So what I am telling is this tan inverse x will be written in terms of cos inverse, sine inverse, and tan inverse. These formulas are very important. Okay, 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and this is also tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay, no need to mug up, understand it, else I will find a easier way for you to remember it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
did you take it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now our all the questions, exercise 2.1 is done. 2.2 is only based on whatever we have seen now. Okay,
Yes.
the formulas which we have seen right now, based on that only questions are there. Okay, let us go and do. Okay, I would want you to complete these theories. Okay,
I'll just get my textbook.
yeah, get it. Or let me explain here so that you don't need to go here and there. Okay, so what I am
Yes.
telling, first formula is, why it is not writing. So our first formula is think it's not allowing me to write here. Give me a minute.
See, below
Yeah, below
the search bar, there's below like file. There's a draw the pen
this one.
above, so like top right. Uh,
Yeah.
it, below the like website link,
Mhm.
below users, that you can that's highlight and next to the teardrop.
Yeah. No, but I was trying to write here. It's not opening. No problem. I'll take it there. Yeah, let us do it here.
Yes, sir.
It is important you understand this so that it will be easier for us to complete the exercise. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the first formula? First formula is 2 into tan inverse x equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square.
Sir.
2x by 1 plus x square.
Yes.
Yeah. Now what should I consider what? Right? So let us consider this value as y. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse x equal to y. So it means tan y equal to x, or you can say
Yes.
x equal to tan y.
Yes, sir.
Now I need to write tan inverse x in terms of 2x by 1 plus x square. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now bringing it here to here is not possible. Okay. So what we can do is we can take right hand side.
Sir.
We will left hand side we tried already. It was not coming. So simplification of RHS to LHS is easier. Okay. So RHS. What is RHS?
Um,
Sine inverse 2x.
Yes.
2x is nothing but 2 tan y
Yes, sir.
divided by 1 plus x square. It is tan square y.
And
And you know 1 plus tan square y is secant square y, correct?
yes, sir.
So this implies this one 2 tan y by 1 plus tan square x is secant square x.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now we can write it simply in terms of sine and cos. What will come here? Sine
Two
inverse
sinus.
2 into sine y by cos y, right?
Yes.
Divided by 1 by cos square y. Correct?
Yes.
Now this cos y and this square is done. Right?
Yes.
So what is remaining now? Sine
Two
inverse
sin one.
2 tan.
Sir, won't it be two sin y cos y?
Hmm?
Sir, won't it be two sin y cos y?
I'm coming. 2 sine y cos y. Hmm? So what is this one? 2 sine y cos y is sine 2 theta, sine 2y.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is sine inverse sine 2y. Right? And this is what was needed. Right?
Yes, sir.
It means this sine and sine is gone, right? This sine and sine is gone. This and this is gone. So we have 2y. And what is y?
Yes, sir.
2 tan inverse x. Right?
Yes, sir.
So 2 tan inverse x. So what did we know? Right? So we understood that 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So will you be able to do now for this one, or let me do?
Can you do it, sir?
So now the next quantity is 2 tan inverse x is equal to, now in terms of cos inverse x. Right? What will come?
1 minus x square by 1 plus x.
Yeah. So 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now let us go for RHS. RHS is this one.
So,
Now what will you take? The same thing. 1 minus tan square y.
yes, sir.
So what we will take? Tan inverse x equal to y we will take. Right?
Yes, sir.
We will take tan inverse x equal to y. So this will give tan y equal to x.
Yes, sir.
What we will get? Cos inverse 1 minus x square. 1 minus tan square y. 1 plus tan square. What is 1 minus tan square y? Any idea?
Um, and now, sir.
Let us,
So, is it
but
tan 2y?
yeah, but we cannot directly write. Suppose they want prove that, right? Sin inverse y by cos inverse y, cos square y, right? Divided by 1 plus sin square y by cos square. So I'm just trying to prove it. I know you will be remembering the formulas, but sometimes 2 marker questions comes. Prove that this is this. Cos inverse. Right? Take LCM. So it is cos square y minus sin square y. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Cos square y plus sin square y. And this cos square y and cos square y will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Denominator once you take LCM. Right? What is coming? Now cos square y plus sin square y is 1.
Yes, sir.
Right? Which implies cos inverse. Now cos square y minus sin square y divided by 1.
Yes, sir.
Now we know this cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x.
Yes.
So this became cos inverse cos 2y. Right? Cos
Yes, sir.
inverse and cos is gone. You should not cut it. Okay. But I'm just cutting it to make you understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now it is 2y. And what is y? Tan inverse x. Right? This equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Clear?
Yes.
So similarly, we can also prove the third one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to questions. Any doubt then you can ask.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this so that examples and all, please do it yourself. Okay. Or you want me to do?
Uh, I can do it.
Okay. Or we can do here itself. It's not a problem. Let me just copy this. NCRT is very good book. You have to solve each and every program, every
Yes,
question. Okay, what happens is sometimes the same question comes or on the similar pattern questions are coming. Okay.
yes,
So if you solve NCRT, you will get a lot of confidence. Okay. Even it will help in your J2U as well.
yes,
I'll try to cover as much as possible from our side. You're saying right, all these graphs and all are coming in exam.
yes,
So we were here, correct? Now
yes,
it is not writing. Trying to understand why it is not. Something happened to this pen only. Give me a minute. All right. So now the question is prove that this is there. Okay.
yes,
It writes in mouse. It is not writing in. That's weird. I have been teaching you from here only. No problem. I have to bring everything in. Okay. Fine. No issues. So you go to Miro board. Complete. Okay. So let me know if it is visible, Dheeraj.
yeah, it's also.
So our I'm planning to solve this. Right?
Yes, sir.
So first we have to think. Right? LHS equal to RHS we have to show, right? But
Yes,
if you try to prove LHS equal to RHS, which one is simplified version? This is simplified one, correct?
yes,
So what we will do, we'll start from here and reach till here. Okay.
yes,
All right. So let us go for LHS. First one. Okay. LHS equal to sine inverse 2x. This question has come many times.
yes, sir.
So now what I have to do is, like, you must have learned in 11th, right?
Um,
About substitution. Like,
yes, sir.
suppose it is written a square minus x square, right? Then what we substitute? X equal to a cos theta, or x equal to a sin theta. Okay.
Yes, I don't remember though. I like know how to do it, but I don't remember what to substitute when.
Okay. Okay. But here I'm telling there are three formulas. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if it is a square plus x square, then substitute x equal to a tan theta,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Or x equal to a cot theta. Okay. Now
Yes,
we'll
sir.
go with these two. Hmm? There is one more. Once the question is coming, I'll teach you. So right now it is in which form? This is in a square minus x square form, right?
Yes,
Where a equal to 1. See, what I said, first
um,
substitution formula is a square minus x square. But there is a possibility that question will come in this form, right? 1 minus x square also, where
yes,
a equal to 1. So what I will substitute here? X equal to a sin theta. This formula,
yes, sir.
right? Now age age 1, right? So our formula will be what? Right? Put x equal to sin theta. Why I'm taking sin theta? I could have taken cos theta also, because outside it is sin theta.
So,
So inside also I have to bring something of sin theta, right? This one inside the bracket, I need something of sin theta. Okay? Something of sin theta. Then only sin inverse will get cancelled, right? So these are the tricks to solve these kind of questions.
yes,
So with practice only it comes. Okay? Now I am putting x equal to a sin theta. Okay? So what will happen to LHS now? It is sin inverse to x will become sin theta, right? And this will become 1 minus sin square theta. Now you know 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, right?
yes,
In exam, please write all the steps because there is a step marking.
yes, sir.
So I'm writing 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Right?
Yes,
What is this? Sin inverse 2 sin theta into cos square theta. If you're coming out of root, what will happen? It will become cos theta. Now, can we write 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta?
sin
Right? Sin 2 theta, right? Now there is no principal range anything, right? So simply this sin and sin inverse will get cancelled out.
yes,
So you will get 2 theta, right? And x equal to sin theta we have taken, right?
yes,
So
sir.
from here theta will come as
Sin
sin inverse x. So 2 sin inverse x. Dheeraj.
yes,
So we got RHS. Clear, son?
yes, yes,
Okay. Now, what is the difference between this and this? identity LHS is same, right?
Yes.
I told you, you can either substitute x equal to a cos theta or equal to a sin theta.
Comes.
If it is having sine inverse, right? Because you had to prove sine inverse, right? When a question is asking, right, if something of this, right, cos inverse x, then you will put x equal to cos theta and solve it.
Yes.
Let us do it. Okay. So LHS is same. Sine inverse
Yes.
2x root over 1 minus x square. Second is, it is telling sine inverse 2x root a1 minus. Okay. Sine inverse let me take this.
Yes.
Are you clear? Why they are given same identity but different relations?
Yes.
This is our second. So I'm taking LHS.
Yes.
Okay. LHS. 8 sine inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Okay. And we have to prove this. Okay. So right, because if you take x equal to a sine theta, your answer will come in sine theta format. Correct? So
Yes.
what we have to do, we have to take x equal to a cos theta. Okay. So which implies this will become sine inverse 2. So here a is 1. So what I'm
Yes.
taking? I'm taking x equal to cos theta.
Yes.
2 into cos theta 1 minus cos theta. But ideally both will give same result.
Yes.
This will become 2 cos theta 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. One sin square theta is coming out of root. This will become sin inverse 2 cos theta into sin theta. Sin inverse sin 2 theta. Now this sin theta and sin theta is sin inverse and sin in is gone, right? So what will
Yes.
come here? It will be 2 theta. Now whatever you assumed, right, x equal to cos theta. So here we'll say theta equal to cos inverse x. So 2 into cos inverse x. Understanding the trick which they are testing us. So in exam, child will fail, right? Sir, I'm putting x equal to sin theta and x equal to cos theta. Then same answer is coming. But right, this statement changes, right?
Yes.
So when you're finding the theta, it will be coming in the form of cos inverse x. So this question has come multiple times, Dheeraj. Okay?
Yes.
That first question we did is sine inverse in the bracket 2x root over 1 minus x square.
2. Yes. 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 Yes.
Right? This is equal to 2 sine inverse x.
Yes.
And this is also equal to 2 cos inverse x. Okay.
Yes.
Only thing you have to assume is once they are asking this question, right? You will be taking, you will put x equal to sine theta, right?
Yes.
And when they are asking you to prove this, right, you'll be writing x equal to cos theta.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
So that was the trick. So I hope this is done and you got to know, right?
Yes.
Let me try doing this note line. Doesn't work here. Okay. Now we have to prove these two questions. Yeah. It's an easy one, but don't ignore anything. In your school, which textbook is being referred?
Excellent.
NCRT. So ma'am is not doing these questions.
She doesn't do example sums, but
Yeah, but example sums are also important. Everything is important from NCRT. Okay. So you're getting right. What is the question asking? Question is telling tan inverse half plus tan inverse 2 by 11 equal to tan
yes, sir.
inverse 3 by 4. So now we have to think, right? Like question is asking us to prove this equal to this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if I will go from right hand to LHS, RHS to LHS, it is not easier. So we'll go from here to here. LHS to right? LHS to RHS will go.
Yes.
So can I write here? Fine. LHS. This is our question number 4. Tan inverse half plus tan inverse 2 by 11. Right? Now just now we read tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So let us make use of this formula. Okay. You have to mention I'm like using this formula. This will come. Just write it down. Tan inverse x plus y. So this is x 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 upon 11. 2 to cancel.
Yes, sir.
So tan inverse. 11 to ja. Okay. What will be the LCM?
True.
It is not cancelling. We cancelled. Fine. So it is 22. Correct. LCM of 11 and 2 is 22. So
Yes.
it is 11 plus 4, 15
Yes, sir.
divided by this 2 to gone. So 11 minus 1, 10 by 11. Right.
Yes, sir.
This will become tan inverse 11 to the 22. So it is 15 by 2 into, if goes up, so 1 by 10, correct?
Yes.
What is the answer? 5 3 ja 5 2 ja. Tan inverse 3 by 4.
Yes.
This is what we have to prove. Right? Tan inverse 3 by 4. Getting Tambi? Any doubt? You
Yes.
want me to repeat somewhere?
Yes.
Okay. So fifth is tan inverse cos x by 1 minus sin x. Right? Write it in a simplest form. Now they are not asking you to do anything. You just keep on go and simplify this. Tan inverse cos x by 1 minus sin x. We need to simplify it. Now half angle property will be using. Right? So this can be written as tan inverse cos x is what we'll write. Just now we read that cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Right?
Yes.
So can we utilize this? So what will be cos x?
Cos x by
Cos
2.
square minus sin square x by 2.
Yes.
So up will be cos square x by 2 minus, and bottom,
1
so
I.
we can write in the form of this. One is cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. And sin x is 2 sin x cos x. Now there is no other way to solve this. So we will be expanding it.
Yes.
2 sin x by 2 into
Cos
cos x.
x.
So this will become cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 into sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay.
Yes.
So we can now easily write them in the form of tan inverse cos square x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by this is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Correct?
Yes.
Now we can increase this bracket here. Okay. Now this is a square minus b square.
Yes.
It is a minus b, a plus b. Right? You just keep on simplifying. If you leave it here, you will get half mark. Okay? We have to simplify to the last step. Even though it is difficult, and sometimes it comes for 2 marks, sometimes it comes for 1 mark also. Okay? Now it will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay,
Yes.
this is becoming okay. Now cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 and cos x by minus sin x, this will get cancelled. One term, right?
Yes.
So what is it remaining now? Right? Tan inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Can this be further simplified?
So
Yeah. So should I stop it here or we can further simplify?
I think we can simplify it for it.
Yes, we can simplify, right? Because here it is in tan inverse. So we'll try to bring it in tan. Okay. So for that, what we have to do? We have to divide by cos x by 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Divide numerator and denominator by, please write these statements. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cos x by 2. So this will become tan inverse cos x by 2 divided by cos by 2. So this will be 1
Yes, sir.
plus
Tan
sin
x
x
by
by 2
2.
by cos tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2.
Yes, sir.
Can I write it in some other form? Now we have to
Uh,
simplify this. 1 you can write 10 pi by 4 plus tan x by 2
yes.
divided by, it is I'm not writing 1 here. Okay? I'm write 1 here and I can write 10 pi by 4
Into tan x by 2.
into tan x by 2. Right?
So,
So this question has like all the uh, formulas involved, right? Yeah. So this is a very good question. Now, what is this? This is tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, correct? Tan inverse 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2.
yes, sir.
Now this cannot be further simplified. We could tan inverse and 10 will get cancelled.
Yes.
So the question finally turns into pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is the simplest form.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So what did we do? We took LHS, right? And thought what property has to be applied, right? So here half angle property is applied. Then we expanded it. Right? After that, we cancelled the term and divided it with cos x by 2 because outside tan is there. Right? if outside tan is there here, right? So this entire term should be tan inverse, I mean, not tan inverse, tan something. Right? If the entire term is tan something, then only this tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. So for that, I have divided in with or divided by cos x by 2. Okay. Is it difficult or you are able to follow?
Uh, I not I'm able to follow, sir, but it is a tough question. Yeah.
Yeah, it is tough. But I'll again explain you, okay, what I did.
I understand the question, sir. Like,
Okay.
I don't know if I'll be able to solve a similar
Yeah, so
question.
now you'll be able to solve, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you practice one more time, you will be able to follow. Yeah. You know, the NCRTs will be like that only, right? So now you know the question. If cos x 1 minus sin x is coming, so I have to first change into half angle property. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After half angle property, you will be expanding it. Okay? And after that, you will be cancelling and bringing it into this form so that outside something tan inverse is there, right? So
Yes,
inside
sir.
also we should, inside the term should not be cos and sin, right? It should be tan of something. Okay. If inside tan of something is coming, then only this tan and this tan will get cancelled out. Then answer will be something. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is another substitution question. Okay. These are these questions have come many times. Okay. 1 minute. Now I'm going to solve this one. Don't see the answer first. Okay. Cot inverse 1 by root over x square minus 1. Okay. Teach question 6. Cot inverse what is 1 by root over. So sometime back I told you two substitution, right? If it is uh, a square minus x square, then what you have to do? X
Sin
equal
theta,
to
minus theta.
a sin theta or a cos theta. Okay. Or a cos theta. Right? I also told you the second one. Second one is a square plus x square. So you will be writing x equal to a tan theta. Because once you solve it, right, it will come in a square plus a square tan square theta. So a square will be common, right? And it will coming as a square plus, means it will come in this format. A square plus a square tan square theta. A square x will common. 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Right? Now, here it is changing. Now it is not in a square minus x square. It is not in a square plus a square. Now the format is x square minus a square. Right? If you remember this substitution, it will help you in differentiation and integration also. Okay. Now the format is x square minus a square. So what we have to do? Right? Do it by x equal to what they have done, sec theta or cosec theta. Okay. You can do x equal to sec theta or x equal to a cosecant theta. Okay. These are general rules, but according to our need, we have to modify it. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's quickly. If they have given 1 minus x square, what we will substitute? X equal to a sine theta. So simply write sine theta. Because if you write it here, 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta. Right? Correct? If they have given 1 plus x square, what will you write? X equal to tan theta. Right? Now, this time it is x square minus 1. So you'll be writing x equal to a sec theta. And a is 1 here. Right? So this will be x equal to sec theta. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why? Because if you are doing sec square theta minus 1, what comes? Sec square theta minus 1 is what? How much? Dheeraj.
Tan square theta. Sir, hello? Sir,
Yeah. Sec square theta minus 1 is how much?
tan square theta.
Hmm?
Tan square theta.
Ah,
Sir, weren't you able to hear me, sir?
which one?
Weren't you able to hear me? I said that
No, no. Sometimes you're just breaking actually.
Okay.
Can you be closer to your mic?
So,
Most of the time, I'm not able to get you
okay.
properly. I'm able to hear you, yes and no. But once you say something, right, that time some difficulty is there. Okay? So that's not a problem. So you're understanding, right, in which direction we are going. Now we are going into a formula-based substitution. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So the question is this one. Okay? So we'll not have these values. Now my only substitution is sec squared x will be put x equal to sec theta,
Yes, sir.
right? So now,
Yes.
so these things you please note it down, ladies. Okay, this is quite important. Else questions will not be solved. Cot inverse 1 minus root over sec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot inverse. So it is tan theta, right? Tan square theta. I'm just writing everything. Tan square theta. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Cot inverse 1 by tan theta. Now, what is this? It is cot, this is tan. So now it won't be simplified, right? So now I have to have something here. This should be something of cot theta, cot something, right? Then only this will be solved. Right? Getting my point? So this entity should be coming in the form of cot. Else,
Yes, sir.
because you have to cancel this. So
Yes.
this is coming as cot inverse 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Right? Now cot inverse and cot is gone. Cancelled. This is theta. Right? And theta is how much? Sec inverse x.
Yes.
This is our answer. This is what they asked. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm leaving this to you as a homework. Please understand and do. Okay? Otherwise, next day we are meeting, right? We'll do that. Okay?
Yes.
Very easy. It is like you can also solve it like tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That is also possible. Okay? But see what it is telling. Let's see here. Let's solve it. It's not a problem. These are difficult questions. Okay? NCRT
Yes.
has, okay? Sometimes in J2 exam, direct questions are coming. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x by this is this much, right? So x equal to tan theta they have taken. Okay? Because now solving from LHS to RHS is difficult, right? So RHS to LHS they are solving. It's not like it cannot be solved. It is doable. Right? Which formula we have to apply?
So if we take LHS, you can use tan inverse x plus tan
Yeah,
inverse y.
that is also possible. Let us solve. Okay. We'll plan to solve from LHS. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll be solving it from LHS. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
LHS is tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay. Now we know, right?
Yes.
Tan x plus tan y equal to uh, tan inverse is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided 1 minus xy. Can we try putting this?
Yes, sir.
So this will be tan inverse, right? This is x and this is y. 1 minus x square. Okay. Divided by this is x square. 1 minus xy. 1 minus x into y is entire. Okay.
Yes.
2x by 1 minus x square. Let us see whether it comes or not. LCM, here
Yes.
also LCM. Okay. In both places, I'm taking LCM and just expanding it a little bit. Tan inverse 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square gone. Okay. So
Yes.
x into 1 minus x square plus 2x.
Yes.
This is 1 minus x square minus 2x square.
Yes.
So now just solve inside first. This is x minus x cube
Yes.
plus 2x. This is 1 minus x square minus 2x square, 3x square. And here it is tan inverse.
Yes.
I think we can solve this from left hand side also. Tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Let us see what is the question. 3x minus x cube. Okay. So this is proved. Correct?
Yes.
Now you understood how did we solve? Just we apply
Yes.
the property. We
Yes.
apply the property and we are able to solve. Next one. So NCERT do not leave any question. Okay. Now the question is find the value of this. This is question number 8. This is direct formula. Question is, right?
Yes.
Cos sec inverse x plus
Secant motion.
cosecant. Right? And this we know is pi by 2. Sin
Yes.
inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2.
5/2.
Tan and cot is pi by 2. Sec and cosec is pi by 2.
Five.
So it's a very simple question, but only we need to remember these things.
Yes.
This is cos pi by 2. Right? And cos 90 is 0. So its answer is 0. Correct?
Yes.
So we completed your exercise. Now we have to do other questions which we
Yes.
left. What did we miss? 2.2, right? All right. Give me a minute. Now I'm going to solve these questions. Okay. Are you hungry?
Chance.
Now I'm going to solve exercise 2.2 NCRT. Very, very important. I'll not solve all. I'm solving only few. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So far, did we read anything like this? Any formula? So
Is sine 3x, right?
yeah. So sine, what happens is, if you no need to remember, sine 3 theta is equal to 3 4. You write 3 4, right? And cos, sorry, sine 3 theta is 34. Right? Cos 3 theta equal to 4 3. Okay. It means what is sine 3 theta? It is just here. Sine theta will come
Yes, sir.
minus 4. See now the term, right? It is sine theta. Then it is only cube and sine only. Clear? And cos 3 theta will be 4 x cube, means 4 cos cube minus 3 cos theta. Okay. 43 rule is your understanding? 43 and 34.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sine theta, sine 3 theta, sometimes you come, right? Just remember it is 3, right? So I have to write 3 and 4, two terms. Okay. And cos 3 theta is coming. So it will be just opposite of this. I have to write 4 3. Right? Clear? I know you'll be remembering, but in case you forget sometime, right? So let us, this will help. This trick will help. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, in order to solve first question, if I go from LHS to RHS, right, it is easy, or LHS to RHS to LHS is easy. I think if you take 3 sine inverse x something, if you start from LHS, you will not be able to do it. Not possible. Okay? So what we have to do? We have to take RHS, because RHS is unsimplified. Right? And this is simplified. So unsimplified to simplified version is easy, because you know direct substitution for this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So I am going from RHS. Sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Right? In exam, you write. Now I'm going to supply some value. Right? So put or let. Right? Put x equal to, which form is this? If
Yes,
you
sir.
in place of x, we're putting theta, then only this will come. Right? Put x equal to sine theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this will become sine inverse. Well, we just need to solve this. This is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay. This is in this form.
Yes, sir.
So inside what is coming? This is coming as sine 3 theta. And this is sine inverse. Right? Now it is not asking any principal value. Right? They have given it to confuse you.
Yes, sir.
Right? Because there is no angle anything. So means everything will be inside the principal range only. Okay. So now sine inverse and sine will be cancelled. So this will be 3 theta. But this is not the answer. Right? This will become 3 into what is theta? You have put x equal to sine theta, right? Which
Yes, sir.
imply theta equal to sine inverse x. So you can put 3 into sine inverse. This is your answer. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 3 cos inverse x. So I am going with this cos inverse 4x cube RHS.
Yes, sir.
Cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. This is a question. So what will you put now? Right? Because you want to, this is in the form of cos 3 theta. And cos 3 theta is 43. Right? X equal to cos theta. Which implies cos inverse 4 cos 3 theta minus 3 cos theta. This entire thing is cos 3 theta, right? Cos inverse cos 3 theta, right? Cos cancel. This is 3 theta. And this is 3. Theta is how much? Cos inverse x. So this is your answer. And it proves
Yes.
as well. Now third one, tan inverse 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24. Which, okay, I want you to solve now.
Yes.
Let me take the question. So we have to take one by one. Then only it will be easy. Yeah. I'm teaching you a little extra today because we missed yesterday. I didn't
Yes.
tell Dheeraj.
Um,
LHS
tan inverse 2 by 11,
plus,
tan inverse 7 by 24,
okay, which formula will you use?
tan inverse x plus tan inverse y.
Equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by,
1 minus x.
right? Tan inverse 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Right?
Yes, sir.
This will become, just we have to simplify.
Yes, sir.
It is 24 by 11, 24 into 11. So this is 24 into 2, 48. What is the other one? Wait, I'm just checking my notes. Some values where I have written. In my notebook, it is not there. Okay, fine. Plus 77.
Yes.
Right? No need to write denominator. Means this will get cancelled. So now just calculate 24 into 11 minus 40. 8, 7, 15, 165. No. So
20.
125 divided by 24, 24. 4, 6, 264 minus 14. 250. Right? 250. 125, 2. This is
So,
10
so
inverse.
why minus 14, sir?
Sorry,
Why minus 14?
y minus
14. So,
which step?
uh, tan inverse 48 plus 77 by 24 into 11 minus 14.
Hmm, Same thing I say. So 24 into 2, 48 plus 11 into 7, 77. Right? And then 24 into 11 is 264. 264 minus 14 is 250. So 125 by 250. Oh, did I make any mistake?
So, where did 14 come from, sir? I don't understand.
Which one?
Minus 14. Where did it come from?
No, I'm not adding. I'm dividing. I'm minusing only.
Is it, where did it come from, sir?
So, okay, give me a minute. Until here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Give me a minute. So, where did it come from is you just do it, right? So, here it is, it is what? 11 into 24, right? 11 is 2 into 24, which is 48 plus 24 is already there. So 11 into 7, right? 77 divided by, now I'm doing this denominator.
Okay.
This will be 11 into 24. Right? Now 1, right? 1 is there. So what will, how many times it will go? Right? This whole thing will be multiplied, right? With this both.
Yes, sir.
So here it will come 11 into 24 minus 7 into 4. 7 into 2 is 14. Now this is tan inverse of this. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from here only it came.
Yes, sir.
So this got cancelled. This got cancelled. Okay. 7, 8. This is 125. This is 24, 24. 4, 6, 264. Okay, I went too fast. So I think you couldn't follow. Fine, no problem. I'll go a little slow. So now it is 125 by 150. Right? 125, 1, 125 is 2. Right? It is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. This is what we had to prove, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll stop here. Okay. Let me stop the recording. I'll